Now we're going to go ahead and expand on this frame. We have half of it basically done. In essence, this line here is going to be our transverse grid line. So it's going to place this and this on both sides. But where does it get the other side? It gets the other side from its relationship to this edge. And that might sound kind of confusing, but once we see what happens here, it'll probably make a lot more sense. I'm going to go to reference, point. And again, I want this cleanup, so I want to host it there. Point. Click. Drag it this way using the grid or the grip. Let's try another reference point. Let's host it again. There. Okay, so now we've got both those guys going. So let's go ahead and tell it we want to make sure the reference planes are visible. And we'll adjust these later, but reference, point, pick. In this case, I want to grab this reference plane. Oops, reference, point, pick, there. Now I should get the error message. Okay, yep, that's cool. Okay, we do want two identical points there because we're going to move this one up. Next step, point. I want to host it, so I pick there, there. Okay. Let's drag this up. Now, I'm going to window both of these guys. And once again, I'm going to come back and change its offset to 0.5. Whoops. A little sensitive there. 0.5. Oh, come on, give me a break. Point. Okay, let me window both these guys again. I hate that. That's the only thing that pissed me off about Revit. Okay, click right here. Point. Ah, come on. 6 inches. We'll try it that way. Apply. So it drops them down. They're both have an offset of 6 inches relative to the pick plane that we used. So let's go ahead and place these guys. I want to go. Let's just go ahead and go to set that. And we're going to go from here to here. Click on the point. There. 6 inches. And of course that's going to bring this point with it because it's hosted to that. Gotta love that. Point to point here. Hit tab till we get that guy. Tab again. There, we got the point. Whoops, try it again. There, now I got the point. 6 inches. So now let's see if we can go in and create the geometry here. Reference line. 3D snapping, because we're going to make sure this hosted. Okay, in this case it worked. Must have just been out of RAM in that other video. Whoops, I need one more. Reference line. Here to there. Okay, so now if I click there, I've got all that. So I'm ready to do the same thing down here. Let's see if we can make this happen really quick. Point, reference, point. I'm going to host it, pick, there, there. Click, I'll move it over. Reference, point, host it, pick, there. Drag it over. Window both of these. Let's turn their point reference planes on always. Place reference point. Host them again. Pick. There. Yes, we know. Click here. Drag it up. Reference point. Pick. Okay. We're going to make sure that horizontal plane is selected. Let's go to window these, and I could be doing all this with a parameter, but just as easy here at this point to do 6 inches. Come on, 6 inches. Apply. There we go. Now let's go ahead and do reference lines. 3D snapping is on, and there, it's working this time. Okay, we're good to go here. Let's just set our dimensions of 6 inches here to here. Click on that point, 6 inches, and of course the point above goes with it. Gotta love that. Here to here. Pick 6 inches. Whoops, let me go back to the point to make sure the point's selected so this works correctly. 6 inches. There we go. Now we have this. So I can go here and I can go and click on this. Selects that entire thing. Click, and then I'll hold my control key, click on that. Create form, and I have that shape. Now I'm going to go to save. So there's my transverse frame. Completed now. And in the next clip, we'll go ahead and dump that into our project.